Welcome back, guys. Today, let's talk about variables. Let's just create the file first, and I'll just name it variables. So within variable, few rules that we have to follow, which is within Python, we do not have to declare the variable type. Like in Java, we have to say int ABC or int number, or string this, or Boolean that. We don't really have to say anything like that in Python. We can just say the variable name and we're good to go. Another thing to know is in variable, we cannot start with a number. It can be, we can have underscore as a starting point. We can have alphanumeric, anything between A to Z, 0 to anything between A to Z, and anything number related, we can have it after the letter. And we can also have underscore. Also, all of the variables are case sensitive, so we also have to be careful of that. So let's just go one by one. So I can say something like, let's say, my variable, right? I can say my variable equals, let's say I say a name. I can also say my variable equals name 2. So in this case, I have that underscore right here. That's perfectly okay. What I cannot have, if I say something like my var equal something, so this, because of that, I cannot have that special character, not a special character, but a hyphen or minus sign, whatever you call it. I cannot have that. Even if I put something in here, hello, or whatever, it's not gonna work. So I cannot put that. So my underscore var, I can have that. I can also have something like, let's say, underscore my var, whatever it is. I can just say something like this, and I can say, like, let's say hello. It really doesn't matter. I can say that. I can say, let's say initially, how I have this my var. If I say something like, let's say m by var, and again, if I say name 3, something like that, this variable is different from this. And what I mean by that, I have this capital. So this capital is differentiating from this first one. So I can do that, and I have the option of doing that. I cannot start with, let's say, a number 1, let's say num 1. I cannot, or num. I cannot have that. This is just give me an error. What I can do, though, I can say something like, let's say num 1. I say something like that, and I say, let's say hello 1, something like that. That's something I can have. I cannot have this digit in the beginning, but I can have it after I put any letter. Then I can have that. I have that option of putting that after. I can put a number only after I put something between A through Z. One thing I also cannot have, which is something like, let's say I put my space var equal hello or something. This space, I cannot have this space in between. This is illegal in Python. I cannot have that. One thing I also can do, I can also assign multiple variables. I can also do multiple variables. So something like, let's say, A, B, C, and then I say apple, banana, and let's say cherry. I can have something like this. This is perfectly okay. So this is basically assigning all of them together. I can also have, let's say, I say X, Y, Z, and I assign them 2, 4, 6. This is perfectly okay. This is no problem whatsoever. I can assign them individually if I wanted to, but I can also assign them at the same time. There would be no problem with that. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically it for today. Yeah, guys, if this was helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate your help. Thank you.